Justice is only a roll of the dice, a flip of the coin, a turn of the wheel. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dying times here.
You want to get out of here? You talk to me.
Oh, you!
Be Max.
My life fades. The vision dims. All that remains are memories. I remember a time of chaos, ruined dreams, this wasted land. But most of all, I remember the road warrior, the man we called Max. To understand who he was, you have to go back to another time, when the world was powered by the black fuel, and the desert sprouted great cities of pipe and steel. Gone now, swept away. For reasons long forgotten, two mighty warrior tribes went to war, and touched off a blaze which engulfed them all. Without fuel, they were nothing. They'd built a house of straw. The thundering machine sputtered and stopped. Their leaders talked and talked and talked. But nothing could stem the avalanche. Their world crumbled. The cities exploded. A whirlwind of looting. A firestorm of fear. Men began to feed on men. On the roads, it was a white-line nightmare. Only those mobile enough to scavenge, brutal enough to pillage, would survive. The gangs took over the highways, ready to wage war for a tank of juice. And in this maelstrom of decay, ordinary men were battered and smashed. Men like Max, the warrior Max. In the roar of an engine, he lost everything. And became a shell of a man. A burnt-out, desolate man. A man haunted by the demons of his past. A man who wandered out into the wasteland. And it was here, in this blighted place, that he learned to live again.
You see, people don't believe in heroes anymore. Well, damn them! You and me, Max. We're gonna give them back to heroes. You really expect me to go for that crap?
In the not-too-distant future, there will be no civilization. There will be no heroes.
The Night Rider had broken from custody and escaped in the police vehicle.
You made
He
the
was
news
awaiting
again.
arraignment on charges relating to the slaying of a main force patrol officer in a road blockade accident last week.
Just a glory rider, I guess.
That must be your friend over there. I didn't leave much of him.
The Night Rider. That is his name.
The Code 3 you ran down a few days ago, the Night Rider. Yeah, Night Rider. I've got a problem.
What's that?
Well, his friends. Word's out there out to get you.
Scoot jockeys.
Yeah, nomad trash.
Well, I'll add it to my threat collection.
We know who you are, Franz.
We'll see you on the road, scat!
What is it with you? What are you looking for? Come on, Max, everyone's looking for something. You happy out there, are you? Hey, wandering? One day blurring into another? Tell me your story, Max. Come on, tell me your story. What burned you out, huh? Kill one man too many? See too many people die? Lose some family?
The arrangement was I would secure him.
For all I got for you.
I reckon you go and bag it.
Look, you set up a body bag for you, give me some gas. Talk to this man.
If you had a contract, it was with him. And it died with him.
Just walk away, and there will be an end to the horror. Just walk away. Give you a pump, and the whole compound, and I spare you lives.
Every day we get weaker while they get stronger. It's finished. I'm sorry.
2 days ago, I saw a vehicle that'd haul that tanker. You want to get out of here? You talk to me.
I was wrong about you. I'm sorry.
A warrior, auntie. Lost everything. Looking for a deal.
But he's just a raggedy man. Today is necessary to kill a man.
What are you paying?
Nichols, fuel if you want.
Who's the bunny?
Who run Barter Town?
Master Blaster runs Barter Town.
Okay, you said a fair fight. What do you mean by that?
Thunderdome. 2 men enter, 1 man leaves.
How do I get in there?
That's easy. Pick a fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dying times here.
This is Thunderdome. Death is listening.
This wasn't part of the deal.
No mercy. Well, ain't we a pair? Raggedy Man.
In this wasteland, I am the one who runs from both the living and the dead. A man reduced to a single instinct. Survive.
It is by my hand. You will rise from the ashes of this world.
We are not things. We are not things.
Where is she taking them? I want them back! They're my property!
Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Want to get through this?
Let's go.
As the world fell, each of us in our own way was broken. It was hard to know who was more crazy. Me or everyone else.
We are